morning, guys. You see that vein action right there? Saving with Shay. Listen, I'm here for CVS. Y'all know last week I didn't get to CVS until Friday, so I said, Shay, you must do better. And so I'm here at CVS today. Now, if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Hello, Shay with the pow pow. I did biceps today too, so biceps are really popping. Listen, take a second, subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button to support your girl. And so we're doing CVS today. Now, I do have a total of 5 transactions to do. I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't even ready. I did this morning after I got back from the gym at like 5. It's scribbled. You can barely see it. Look, it's scribbled. Chicken scratch. But I have 5 transactions to do. Starting off with $10 in extra care bucks. And I'm hoping to just kind of roll with it and, you know, pay as little out of pocket as possible. I'm not sure if I'll be rolling the last transaction back in. I may just save it for my next trip, just because it makes it easier. Like, I couldn't imagine starting fresh every single week. Like, I'm not trying to do that. And I mean, me starting off with $10 this week, it helps, you know. I'd rather not have to pay an extra $10 just to start a deal. And so most likely we won't be re-rolling all of it in. We'll save some for next week. And so with that being said, what else? Oh, I will be using coupon 24 today as well. I'm hoping that that works out. I want to practice or try something rather in self-checkout. One of you guys said to try using the QR code rather than that barcode, and so I will be trying that today as well. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to CVS. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got into do, keep on watching. This first deal we're gonna do is on the Crest. I'm gonna do 2 different deals because I do have a 4 for 20 CRT, but I'm going to tell you each deal separately if you don't have a CRT. So the first one's going to be on the Crest 3D white. It's on this one right here. It's priced at $8.99. It's buy 2, get back 5. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. Now for this, we have a $4 digital, and then we also have one on the Coupon 24 app. So to bring it down to paying $9.98, you'll get back 5 in extra care bucks, and then we'll get back $2.50 for each on Ibotta, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. So that we're going to be grabbing is on the Crest 3D white. I'm going to grab the Arctic Fresh. Is priced at $3.97, and it's buy 2 get back 4. That total is going to come to $7.94. We have a $1 digital on the app. The other digital I'm going to use on the Coupon 24 app, and that's $2. It'll bring the total down to $4.94, getting back 4 in extra care bucks. Makes them 47 cents each. I was really hoping that Ibotta offer for $1.50 would work on these, but it doesn't. I think it works on the bigger ones. And so hopefully I can use that offer over at Walgreens this week. So let me show you what this transaction looks like. So these are the 4 that we're grabbing. The total for all 4 is $25.92. Again, we have a 4 of 20 CRT. We have a $4 digital and a $1 digital on the CVS app. And then we have a $4 digital and a $2 digital on the Coupon 24 app. That'll bring the total down to $10.92. We'll get back a total of $9 in extra care bucks plus $5 on Ibotta. It'll make all 4 free plus a $3.08 moneymaker. So let's go check out and see if it works out. So this worked out good. I was a little nervous. I did go to self-checkout. I know one of you guys mentioned in my last video about scanning the QR code, and I did that in self-checkout. It worked out perfectly. I scanned my CVS card, and then I scanned the QR code for the Coupon 24 app, and it worked out flawlessly. All my digitals came off. There goes my 4 of 20. My Coupon 24 digitals also came off. My subtotal was 64 cents. And I got back 9 in extra care bucks. Plus we got back 5 on Ibotta as well. And so this worked out pretty good. So let's go do our next transaction. So the next deal that we're going to be grabbing is on the Gillette razors. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 2 get back 4. Have some women ones over here. Where are they? Right here. $7.99 for the first one. The second one is $3.99. The total for both is $11.98. We do have 2 digitals, $3 off of 1 on the CVS app. That'll bring that total down to $5.98. We'll get back 4, making them only 99 cents each. The other thing I'm going to get with this transaction is the Gillette foam. It is priced at $3.59, and it's also, actually, wait a minute. I can't get both because they're the same promotion. It's the same promotion, so it's either or. Okay, so You could either get that, it makes them 98 cents each, or you could grab this one right here, which are $3.59, buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $3.59, one is $1.79. You'll pay $5.38, you'll get back 4, so it makes them 69 cents each. I think I'm gonna grab this one instead of the razors. So the next deal that I'm gonna grab is Neutrogena. It is spend 12, get back 7, limit of 1. And so I'm gonna be grabbing the lip products on the side right here, priced at $11.99. There's a $4 digital, so you'll pay $7.99 and then you'll get back 7. So it makes it only 99 cents. This transaction worked out good. I did pay a little bit more out of pocket because I don't know, I was thinking the Gillette deal was 2 separate deals. So yeah, but anyway, so look, there goes my my Gillette. There goes my Neutrogena. The $4 digital came off. I wrote $9 from that previous transaction. I paid $4.37 out of pocket, and then I got back 11 in extra care bucks. So this next deal is on Dial. Look, I'm getting the last 2, y'all. So the Dial is priced at $3.69. It's buy one, get one 40% off, and it's buy 2, get back 3, limit of 1. So the first one's going to be $3.69. The second one's going to be $2.21. That total's going to come to $5.90. I remembered that I had these dollar hang tags that we got at Walmart. Now I don't know if they're going to work. I believe they should work though. I believe they work for the regular cents at Walmart, so hopefully they'll work here. Pay $3.90 out of pocket. We'll get back $3 in extra care bucks. It'll make them only 45 cents per bottle. All right, so that worked out good. I added a bag of Cheetos as a filler so that I could use the whole $11 that I wrote from the last transaction. There goes our Dial, Maybelline. As you can see, the dollar coupons, they did scan. There goes the $4 on the Maybelline. I wrote $11 in extra care bucks. 7 cents was our subtotal. And we got back a total of 8 in extra care bucks. All right, so this is my complete little haul for today. This worked out pretty good. Like, I didn't have any issues, no hiccups, no nothing. I was happy that my first transaction worked out since that was a moneymaker transaction. I was lucky to find these 2. They were in the wrong spot. It's the only reason why they still had them. And so this worked out good. Now, I want to say I did 1, 2, 3 transactions. I was debating if I wanted to roll the 8 that I got back in and do another transaction, or even do a household deal. But I think the household deal this week has been 25 get by 5. And I was like, I really didn't want to pay that much more out of pocket. I mean, I could have made it work and still had it out of pocket at about $10 or so. I do have a question for those of you who do like Walgreens or CVS. Do you prefer saving extra care bucks and rewards for the next week to kind of help you out or start you? Or do you like to restart every week? Like, initially I was thinking of, restarting each new week, but I just don't like the idea of having to come out of the pocket every week if I don't really have to. So I'm thinking that going forward, I will start saving something. And for those of you who do save something, what is a good amount? Like, I think $10 is a good amount to save for a new week. Of course, I only have the 8, but I do have 5 from Ibotta. So, and then I think what I'm going to do for Ibotta is cash out with a CVS gift card. And then, never mind, just forget that. Because I think I'm going to keep doing PayPal because then I can use it everywhere. And so, yeah, so let me kind of breeze through this. And so everything you see here retails $60.46. I did have $25 in coupon CRTs digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $35.46. Now, again, I did roll $20 in extra care bucks for these deals, which brings it down to $15.46. And then I still walk away with $8 in extra care bucks, 5 on Ibotta. And so that nets it at $2.46, are only 22 cents each, which is definitely awesome. Now, I did mention that I started today with $10, so if I deduct that, it brings it down to $5.08 out of pocket subtotal, which is really, really cool. Our sales tax for this was $4.59. And so, yeah, this is not a bad deal. So it still is a really low out of pocket. Like I said, $5 pre-tax. And then, like I said, we do walk away with a total of $13 between rewards and Ibotta. And so with that being said, I hope you guys appreciate this video. If you did and made it to the end, definitely don't forget to smash the like button. Again, let me know how you guys do your deals, and do you save your rewards for the next week or do you roll them back in? All right, so with that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.